Hi guys, this is a general reading, so this may or may not resonate. First of all of you who are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. This is the Unicorn of Light. So this reading will be a love reading, and that is going to be timeless. So if you're seeing this reading, if you're watching this reading even after months or years or a few weeks or days and it resonates, then this reading is for you. All the readings are for entertainment purposes only, please. So take like that. Okay, so the first sign that we are going for is the water signs, is what I'm getting. Okay, so let's do the water element first. Okay, so let's shuffle the cards and let's see what the water signs are getting. Let's get some messages for Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Please give me one card. What's going on in Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio's love life? Alright, we have gotten two of the cards. Let's get one more card for the water signs, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Alright, so we have three cards here. The first card that we have is Judgment. Okay. The second card that we have is King of Cups. And the third card that we have is Two of Pentacles. So I feel like you're trying to resurrect a relationship is what I'm feeling. Water signs, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. You guys are trying to resurrect a relationship and the universe is not letting you, is what I'm feeling right now. You have a good person coming in, but because of your juggliness, because you are not able to take a decision, a clear decision, whether you wish to resurrect this relationship or you want to be with this person with whom you are trying to resurrect a relationship, you are very juggly in your mind, is what I'm getting. So Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, this we have gotten King of Cups, which is you, but this also could be your significant other. I'm feeling like you are feeling as if the universe is kind of helping you resurrect this relationship with this person, but it's actually kind of trying to meddle into this resurrection, is what I'm feeling. Yes, I do have this feeling. The universe is, yes, finally I got this clear message. Okay, so finally you guys are very wishy-washy. Okay, you guys do want this relationship to be resurrected with this person, but then again you are being wishy-washy here. So you guys need to really decide what you guys want. Okay, let's see what you get from this deck, which is called Angel Answers. Okay, let's see what the angels have to say. What else? Alright, so we have gotten three messages for you. Water signs, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Okay, so this message is for you. Communicate clearly. Guys, if communicate clearly is basically this, that you guys are very wishy-washy right now, and the universe wants you to communicate very clearly with it, whether you really want to resurrect this or not. Universe can help you in this, but then, don't complain to the universe, or don't blame the universe that this relationship is not serving you any good, and now you want some other person to come into your life, is what I'm feeling. So yeah, communicate clearly with the universe through your actions, through your decisions, whether you want this person or not. Okay, so if you want this person, communicate clearly with the universe that you really want this, and don't be wishy-washy. Okay, then the second card that we got is forgiveness. So yeah, you need to heal the part where you hold grudges to people, to your exes maybe. Okay, I just saw 155. So yes, there has to be some change for the new beginning to enter into your life. Okay, so stop being this wishy-washy person and start forgiving yourself and the other person with whom you have been before, or look in the other direction. Okay, because you have so many opportunities coming in, is what I'm feeling right now. Okay, so if you don't want this King of Cups, please just forgive that person and move on, because we have the other card which says wait. Okay, so guys, please wait, because there are some good opportunities on the horizon which I can see. The angels are telling you to wait. Okay, if you wish to have a really good person in your life, a good soulmate, a forever soulmate kind of person in your life, then you really need to forgive. Okay, you need to clearly communicate with your angels what you want, so that they can help you get what you want in your love life, right guys? So water signs, please be clear. Okay, let's have a message from the angel therapy, if you have any messages from there. All right, angels, do you have any message? One more card, please. Water signs, angel messages for water signs, please. Okay, so we have 3 cards here. So the first card we have is clear yourself. Okay, it says ask the angels to release any toxic energies that you may have absorbed. Okay, so if you are dealing with the people who are energy vampires or something like that, or if you are dealing with some people who are not serving your soul's purpose, then please clear yourself from those toxic energies of the people, toxic people. I know I'm using toxic word a lot, but please guys, you do have some toxic people in your life, so please clear them out. Okay, yeah, the angels are telling me that you have absorbed some energies from your environment. Okay, so clear yourself out by meditating. Okay, do a clearing meditation, do a cleansing meditation. You can also cleanse yourself by smudging yourself. Okay, smudging techniques are very much available to you. Okay, it's very easy. You can sage yourself, you can smudge yourself with the incense sticks as well. Okay, do what serves you. Okay, so the second one we have is emotional sensitivity. Obviously you guys are water signs, so you guys are going to be heavily emotional, not necessarily, but yeah, that's like a very, very essence of yours. So it says honor and respect your deep sensitivity, as it is a gift to us all. So please honor yourself. If you are beating yourself up for crying over a person, and that's the reason why you want to resurrect this person in the first place, then guys, you really need to clear yourself. You need to kind of, I am feeling that a few of the people need to cut cords from this person, because you have some good people coming in your life. Okay, so honor yourself, respect your emotional sensitivity, because it is a gift. Not everyone can feel what you guys are feeling. Okay, the third card here we have is Indigo. It says the person you are inquiring about is an indigo, meaning a highly sensitive natural born leader. So I feel this is you and not the person that you might have been inquiring about. So this is you. You are an indigo child. Okay, you have some psychic abilities is what I'm feeling. Maybe you haven't connected to your true self. You haven't connected to your psychic abilities. Maybe you're not completely aware of it, but you're kind of aware of it. It's like an inner knowing, you know. So some of you may be clairsentient is what I'm feeling. So please go and search on Google about it if you guys are that. And I am also feeling that some of you have been aware, quite aware from the childhood itself. So yes, water signs are meant to be very psychic. Okay, what else am I getting from this? Yeah, you may be believing in the unicorn or some sort of birds, or maybe you are seeing white birds or something like that, or you have been seeing unicorns, or you've been seeing quite a few children among you, or maybe around you, or you're watching those videos or something like that. So yeah, that's what I'm getting. So water signs, this reading was for you. I hope you guys like this reading, and if you like this reading, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'm gonna post usually, you know, a day after the other. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time. Take care. Bye.